Hello everyone. So today we are going to start chapter number 4, air and its uses. So open your textbook page number 182, chapter number 4, air and its uses. All of you know air is very important to us. Without air we cannot live. So today we are going to see what is meant by air and what are the uses of air in our life. So air along with water has made life possible on earth. So along with water, air is also important to us and it also made life possible on earth. We cannot imagine life without air. Like water, we cannot imagine our life without air also. We cannot see air but we can feel it. So we can see water, we can feel the water also, but we cannot see air but we can feel it. There is a blanket of air around earth. So in our surrounding or in our around earth, they are having a blanket of air. So we cannot see air but we can feel the air. So there is a blanket of air around earth known as the atmosphere. So our surroundings, or it is we call atmosphere, and this atmosphere is also made up of air, blanket of air. Earth gravity holds the atmosphere in place, and our earth having gravitational force, and that gravitational force holds the atmosphere in a place. So the blanket of air around the earth is known as the atmosphere. So in this chapter we are going to study the layers of atmosphere, usage. So in this chapter we are going to see the layers of atmosphere, composition of air, air pollution and properties of air. So first we will see the layers of the atmosphere. So our atmosphere is also divided into 5 layers, means atmosphere is made up of 5 layers. First is troposphere, second is stratosphere, third is mesosphere, fourth is thermosphere or ionosphere, and fifth is exosphere. Each layer of the Earth's atmosphere is important to us, and all these layers of the atmosphere is very important to us. So let's see in detail the layers of the atmosphere. So first we will see the diagram, and with the help of diagram we will understood the all layers of the atmosphere in detail. So student, look at in your textbook the diagram. So first layer is troposphere. See downside troposphere, then stratosphere, then mesosphere, and then thermosphere, then last is the exosphere. So this is the diagrams of layers of the atmosphere, and our Earth atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. So first we will see about troposphere. Okay, this one is a troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. So troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. It extends from 7 km to 70 km above the earth. So it is above on the earth from 7 km to 70 km. Okay. Then second is all changes in weather take place in the troposphere, and the changes that happens in the or weather that are takes place in this troposphere. मतलब हमारे वेदर में जो चेंजेस होते हैं, कभी रेनफॉल होती है, कभी कोल्ड एयर आती है, कभी ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. So that all changes are happen in this troposphere, and it is above on the earth from 7 km to 17 km above the earth. So next layer is a stratosphere. See, this is the stratosphere. The stratosphere is a layer above the troposphere. तो stratosphere कहाँ पे है? Above the troposphere. Troposphere कहाँ पे है? Above the earth. Above earth. There are no changes in weather in the stratosphere. तो stratosphere में कोई भी weather के changes होते नहीं है. Planes fly in the stratosphere. Okay, planes fly in the stratosphere. The outer layer of the stratosphere, the ozone layer, protects us from UV rays of the sun. So this is the outer layer of the stratosphere and it is called the ozone layer, and this ozone layer protects us from the UV rays of the sun. तो ये कहाँ पे सी दिस गोल्डन कलर, ओके, this is the ozone layer, okay, yellow, yes, this is yellowish color, this is the ozone layer, and this ozone layer protect us from the sunlight. So next layer is mesosphere. See here, mesosphere, okay. So the layer above the stratosphere is called mesosphere. So ये layer कहाँ पे है? Above the stratosphere. Meso means middle. See, this layer is in the middle. So it is called mesosphere. Meso means middle. Mesosphere is a layer in the middle of Earth's atmosphere, and it is a middle. This layer is middle in the Earth atmosphere. So it is called mesosphere. Meteor showers are seen in mesosphere. The mesosphere stops meteors from hitting Earth's surface. So next layer is a thermosphere or a ionosphere. See, next layer is a thermosphere, or this is a thermosphere or ionosphere. The layer above the mesosphere is the thermosphere or the ionosphere. So the layer above the mesosphere is called thermosphere or ionosphere. This layer warms up to very high temperatures because of the sun's heat, and this layer warm all these very high temperature because of the sun heat. The ionosphere reflects radio waves and helps in transmitting radio programs live from any part of the world. And this ionosphere or a thermosphere reflect the radio waves, and these radio waves helps in transmitting the radio programs. मतलब यहाँ से ही हमें जो हम रेडियोस देखते हैं, रेडियो प्रोग्राम्स देखते हैं और टीवी प्रोग्राम्स देखते हैं, वो उसके जो वेव्स है वो कहाँ से आते हैं? हमें थर्मोस्फियर और आइनोस्फियर से आते हैं. तभी हम लाइव टेलीकास्ट सुनते भी है रेडियो पे और मोबाइल और या टीवी पे देखते हैं. सो वी गेट दीज ऑल वेव्स, रेडियो वेव्स फ्रॉम दी thermosphere or ionosphere. And the last layer of the atmosphere is a exosphere. Last layer of the atmosphere is the exosphere. Above the ionosphere is the exosphere, and this exosphere lies above the ionosphere or thermosphere. The exosphere fades into outer space. Weather satellites orbit Earth at a great height in the exosphere. And which are the what is lies in this exosphere? Weather satellites and the satellites orbit Earth. They are great height in the exosphere. Okay, see, this is a satellite. Satellites are lies in this exosphere. Communication satellites are at a height of about 36,000 km above the Earth in outer space. So this is the communication satellite. This is lies at the height of about, see, वो कहाँ पे है? ये सैटेलाइट है एक्सोस्फीयर में. सो ये इस सैटेलाइट से हम कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. वी कैन कम्युनिकेट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सैटेलाइट. एंड दिस वो जो सैटेलाइट है वो कहाँ पे है, कहाँ से है? तो वो अर्थ लेवल से, अर्थ से 36,000 किलोमीटर. ओके, अर्थ से कितने किलोमीटर तक है? 36,000 किलोमीटर से है. वो कहाँ पे? एक्सोस्फीयर से. और दिस एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दी सैटेलाइट्स वी कैन कम्युनिकेट विथ ईच अदर. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज अ डायग्राम ऑफ layer of the atmosphere. Okay, so see the next here. Choose the correct answer. Planes fly in the dash. Planes fly in the in which layer of the earth? Stratosphere. Okay, then second, the dash layers is in the stratosphere. Ozone layer is in the stratosphere. Dash is the middle layer of the atmosphere. Mesosphere is the middle layer of atmosphere. So students, next point of our chapter is composition of air that we will see in our next video. So student, read the topic again, that is the layers of atmosphere, and draw the diagram of layers of atmosphere in your science textbook and read the chapter again. Thank you students.